Where are we at today?
We are at Kapiolani Park out here on the south side of Oahu.
It's a beach day today.
Oh, it's a beach day.
Oh yeah. We're hitting the beach for a bit and then we're gonna go skate. We're doing another little day in the life with Mateo. He's always got some adventures for me. If you're ever in Hawaii, hit him up. He'll take you to the beach and like show you around the whole place. So look at his parking job, dude. That's like some skill right there to get that close. And I kept trying to open the door and it wouldn't open. I was wondering why. I thought his door was broken, but he just parked on the thing.
Hey, no one can get in there. Come on.
Look at this tree. That's some quality architect right here. Cool, took us to the busiest beach possible. It's like 50,000 people. It's so packed.
I've never seen it this packed.
It's so packed that I'm literally holding this big camera. Look like a weirdo.
That's why the phone's used.
All right, he's gonna try to pull his car out. We're gonna see if it scratches at all. I can't even get in the damn thing. Oh, you actually did it. You're gonna hit the car. Dude. Oh my god. All right, pull to the left a little so I can get in.
I forgot that there's a car behind me.
Dude. This pizza looks so good. Look at this acai bowl. This thing looks fire. I'm gonna give a review. I haven't had this place in months, so.
Yeah. The flavors are melting on my tongue.
I rate the acai 6 or 5, but the bowl in general is like a 7.5. Alright, we're back at Mateo's house right now. We're just changing. I get a lot of questions though all the time about my shirts, how they're cropped. So I'm gonna put you guys on real quick on how to do that. You throw it inside out. I just buy these from Target, like a little 6-pack of shirts. Find out where you think a good line is. I usually do like 1.5 inches maybe, and then just cut across. Make sure it's even.
Yeah, that's quick.
It's gonna come out pretty flat when you first wear it, but the first time you wash it, it'll like curl up and it'll look fire. How it looks, let's see. Perfect every time. Perfect length. Right on the waistline. See, it's already starting to curl up a little. This is how it looks though. I went to his room real quick to show the mirror off. But it looks fire. I like how it crops. I'm skating the Sambas right now. Before we go skate, I gotta take a little scoop of electrolytes. This is my favorite brand right now. It's called Relight. It's from Redmond Salt, if you guys have heard that before. But it's like a salt-based electrolyte. This is gas.
Dry scoop. You dry scoop me that. Keeps me fueled as dark chocolate chips.
Alright, we just pulled up to the park. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour. This place is sick. I guess Mateo said this is the first park ever built in Hawaii. It used to be a roller rink. That's why it's got like all this crazy stuff. We're in beautiful downtown, all the buildings around. It's got like perfect ledges everywhere. One of the only good down rails in Hawaii. Good square. It's not too fat. It's a good rail. This hub is super fun. It's got a nice hip with a bump to bar and down rail. Look at this idiot. He's gonna buckle. There's no brakes on it either.
So you take it on the road, how do you stop? Just let go? Buddy, fly at it. Come on, let's see some work. Oh my god!
Oh. We did a little warm-up game of skate off camera, and what happened, Mateo?
You got dusted, buddy.
He's always lying. I smoked him bad. I think he got me on one letter, but that's why we didn't put it in. Not because we didn't film it, but he didn't want me to put it in. Oh. Good thing. Take that. Take that. Let me run that back. I just broke my foot. You're not Bill Strobeck, buddy.
That's what you get.
You're not my dad, bro. Don't take it.
Alright. Give me that.
Let's go.
There you go.
Okay.
Easy money.
The heat in Hawaii literally destroys these boards. Look at how easy I can break it. Hold on.
Bro.
Hold on.
I don't think it's... Yeah, I don't think that's budging.
Look at that. It was already broken too.
You think the heat has something to do with it?
Yeah, it melts the glue. And then makes it all flimsy.
Want to use my board? Thumbnail? Got it.
How much to work that job?
Deep thoughts. Honestly, they pay pretty good probably. They probably pay like $30, $40 an hour.
Are you taking that to work that?
Nah.
We cut the sesh early. I got angry and snapped my board. I'm a psychopath. Mateo landed his tricks. He got a crazy 50. Go check it out on Instagram. We're about to go to Whole Foods. Saturday night vibes right now. Feeling ourselves. Beautiful day out. Oh my god! Ooh, there we go. Go for a Mountain Valley. And I'm gonna get one of these too, because I'm thirsty. I think I'm gonna get a slice of pizza too. I'm starving, bro. We got the Dave Portnoy, one bite. Everyone knows the rules. Pizza review.
I don't think I ever tried a Whole Foods pizza.
It's not bad. This one's greasy as hell.
Cool.
That's fire.
Is it?
Beach vibes. The sunset. It's a beautiful day out. Look at the town right behind you too.
That should be the title.
Woo. Huh. Look at that view.